Do you want and need more traffic for your business? Well, if you're like me, then, well, the answer is a really big yes. Of course, I need more traffic. Everybody needs more traffic, but traffic is not quite the same as targeted traffic. Targeted traffic is where you get people who are actually interested in what you have to sell. If you use targeted traffic as opposed to just general traffic, whatever it happens to be, you are going to make so much more money. And that's why I'm excited to tell you about this new software called Bling. It's coming right up in my review of Bling. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull most successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, and if you're not new, well, you know the drill by now. It's go ahead and just skip ahead. I'm not even going to bother with one of my silly jokes because, frankly, they're really bad. I got to get some new material, just like my buddy Bart, who keeps coming on and annoying me all the time. But we'll get to him in a minute. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, really, it gets annoying. Okay, get a new line. I'm going to get some new lines too. Seriously, we both got to work on this, okay? Anyway, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Bling. Now, Bling is a new software designed to bring you buyer traffic for free. And I know that term gets bandied around a lot. A lot of people talk about it and say, oh, buyer traffic, buyer traffic, buyer traffic. Okay, look, I'm not going to tell you you're going to make $541 in one day because you put in 5 minutes of work on Bling. Okay, I don't want you to, have unrealistic ideas. But are you going to be able to get traffic if you use this? Absolutely, 110%. And I have a special bonus I'm going to give you, which is going to help you to really get more buyer traffic, which nobody else is going to be giving you this bonus. Basically, what Bling relies on is social media, of course. That's the hot thing, been the hot thing for years now. In this case, it's Instagram. And I'm going to show you how the software works in just a moment. But before I do that, I want to tell you about my custom bonus. So first of all, the biggest thing that I want to tell you about is that I'm going to show you how to pick out stuff that is going to be super hot that people are searching for on Instagram. Okay, because a lot of people, they say, oh yeah, Instagram. Okay, big deal, Instagram. So what? Who cares? Okay, like seriously, let me just adjust my camera here. This is bothering me a little bit here. There we go. Anyway, you can see my TV behind me before. This is not a studio. This is a green screen, by the way, but anyhow. And speaking of that, we're going to be talking about that in my bonuses. But anyhow, so people talk about Instagram all the time about how it's so wonderful for traffic, and it is a great source of traffic. Trouble is that there's a lot of competition on Instagram. So what do you do in order to get past the competition? Well, it's actually very, very simple. What you want to do is to take advantage of stuff that people are already searching for. Okay, and when I say that, I don't mean that people are searching for make money online, because there's a gazillion people searching for that already. I'm talking about where something is new and exciting that's going to get people into, because basically what you want to do is target both specifically people who are looking for your stuff, but also people who are looking for something more general. And so the first thing I'm going to give you in my custom bonus is I'm going to show you exactly how to find what's going on that people are searching for right now. I'm going to show you the exact method that I use to find what people are searching for right now so that you can create memes. And the software lets you create memes super easily. You can create memes all about these things that people are searching for right this second. This is really, really powerful stuff. A lot of people don't know about it. I'm going to show you how to do that. The second thing I'm going to give you is my exclusive Rolodex. My Rolodex is one of the best resources you will ever have. It's going to show you about 30 different websites where you can get quality content to use on Instagram and other social media. Okay, I'm talking about photos, I'm talking about video clips, I'm talking about all kinds of stuff that you can download completely for free and use them on these things. Plus, I'm not done yet. Plus, beyond those two things, I'm also going to give you my PLR to my course on using a free video editor. It's completely free. It's available for Windows and Mac. Okay. And it's a very, very powerful editor that you can use to create your meme videos. But if you don't know how to use it, it can take forever to figure it out. I've already figured it out. I'm going to give you my exclusive video teaching you how to do it. You're going to get PLR to that video. Plus, on top of all those things, I'm not done yet. On top of all those things, I've got about 15 other bonuses. I'm not even going to bother listing them. Look below this video. If you're looking at this on YouTube or some other platform, just go ahead and click the link, and you're going to see on my website, there's like 15 bonuses listed beyond these things. There's going to be like 15 additional bonuses that you're going to be able to grab exclusively from me. So basically, we're talking about like 18 different bonuses on this one. Plus, if you pick up any upgrade to Bling, then first of all, I'm going to give you PLR to my own 24-hour bucks. Okay, I've never given up PLR to 24-hour bucks, period. Hasn't happened, never happened, but you're going to get it from me right now. I'm also going to give you PLR to Graphic Supremacy, which is something I have very rarely given out because it's really, really valuable. And I'm not done yet. I'm also going to give you an Instagram shout out to my nearly 7,000 followers. A lot of people have asked for this. These things go for like 200 bucks a piece. You're going to get an Instagram shout out to my followers as well. Okay, that's all if you pick up an upgrade. So you get 24-hour bucks. You're going to get Graphic Supremacy, both with PLR, and you're going to get a shout out to my followers. Okay, so let's go and check out the software real quick. I want to show you how this thing works because it's super easy. So you can see here, basically what you can do is you simply go ahead and add in whatever images you want, and you can give it a caption, and you can just post it to your Instagram account. So you can choose. Obviously, you're going to set up your own Instagram accounts on here and just start posting it. There's also you can schedule your posting, which is really cool. So if you're away for a while, or if you just want to like spend a Saturday working on it, put it together. Okay, you also have a reply template. You have comment template. These are really, really important because when people email you, private message you rather on Instagram, you can reply instantly. You can comment on other people's stuff instantly. Okay, you can create campaigns, and you can also look at reports. So you can see what's working, what's not working, so you can start tailoring things in order to really make it work for you. Okay, you can also it has a hashtag generator, which is really, really important for Instagram to find the right kinds of hashtags. Okay, and of course, there's the training and the case studies that'll show you exactly how this software works and why it's so powerful. So let's see if I am going to give a tip match to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you demand. I like this software a lot. It's great. I like the fact you can create the memes right inside the software. That's something that's really, really powerful. Oh, I forgot to mention, by the way, one more bonus I'm giving you is how to create green screen videos with stuff you have at home. Obviously, my green screen is malfunctioning a little bit right now. It's because the lighting here is bad. Yeah, you're gonna get that as well. So go ahead and grab this one. This one is good. You're gonna love it.